Ano oras na? Mag-8 na? Ito, ikaw yung may phone talaga. And, syempre, Zach, ano? You're stuck there. Come here. Okay, Zach, Zach. Ano nangyayari? Come here. Ay, di pala abot yung paa. Yay! Wag mo kasagasaan. Tama tayo. Yun. Uh-oh.
Use this one.
Wow, you're like daddy. Zach, ano na? Ano na? Come here. Come here. Zach, why are you so confused with everything that's happening around you? Come here. Come here. He hasn't figured it out yet. Hey, dito kami kala ate. We're gonna have our lunch here. Zeb, Gavin, go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Later. For Ate Reese. Wait lang. Eating time. Barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Adobo. And what's that? With broccoli and sapas. Are you hungry? Yes. Hi. Cake overload. This is mango something. Cupcake. Red velvet. Salted caramel.
Mama na lang pa. Ito, binalot ko na sa'yo.
Yummers. So, let's eat. Let's eat. Sa'yo.
Teka lang, kukuha tayo ng knife.
Hi! Okay guys, it's 2:30. We need to go. 3:30 kami dapat umalis sa aming bahay. So yeah, kasi hindi lang nakapahinga. Time check, it's 4:15 and we're on the way to the airport. 6:30 ang flight, so good luck. Hopefully hindi traffic. Nandito pala kami sa may duty-free banda. So yeah. Hi Zeb. Hi Daddy. Ari ko. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Nakarating lang namin. So, first step ni Daddy is sa POEA. Doon. Kailangan niya ipa-validate yung exit clearance na kinuha niya. So, and after that, kami naman. Hi guys! We just passed the final x-ray and luckily wala namang tanimbalang naganap sa amin. Natatakot ako kasi ang dami namin bit-bit, diba? Siyempre yung mga binibiktima dyan, yung diba? Yung mga hindi masyado alert. Eh sa dami namin bit-bit. Diyos ko. Natakot ako pero buti na lang. We're safe. Yes. So, sila Daddy naman, may inaasikaso para dun sa terminal fee refund niya. Nakakairita talaga yun. Sobrang, hassle. Parang dagdag pa sa gagawin ng mga OFW para ma-refund yung terminal fee. Since sinimulan nilang i-include sa ticket yung terminal fee, diba? But, what to do? So, yun, hintay na namin sila.
Gentlemen, your attention please.
Yes! Zeb, say hi. Zeb, hi. Yay! And getting ready to dede, and I'm gonna watch How to Be Single. But hopefully, mapanood ko talaga siya. Yay! We're going home. Ang bigat mo pero in fairness, ang laki na itulong nitong carrier. Kasi, kung nakababa siya, nagliwaliw na to. So yes, we are back in Singapore. Si Zach tulog na nun kay Daddy. Ay, Diyos ko po. Familiar background. It's already 11:30. We made it like nagland kami mga 10:05 and yeah, bagsak na yung dalawa kanina pa. Si Zach sa aeroplano pa lang, si Zeb sa taxi. Anyway, maglalaban na sana ako kaso may naglalaba. Ang dami kong labadang natira. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight na guys. I will see you tomorrow. Finally back home. Bye!